Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so the sign-in process won't stall. Make sure your device runs Android 6.0 or later and has a stable internet connection. Charge above 20% to avoid interruptions. Once ready, unlock your phone and go straight to Settings, then Accounts, and choose Add Account. Select Google. This begins the flow to link your Google identity to Play. The why. Settings ensures the system account syncs properly with Play services for purchases and app management. Now you sign in and confirm ownership so Play will trust the account. Type your Google email and password. If you have two-step verification, use the prompt, SMS code, or Authenticator app when requested. Make sure you review requested permissions like account sync and location because Play uses them for recommendations and licensing. Allow only what you need. Once verification completes, the account will appear under Accounts in Settings, and Play can access it to show purchases, manage subscriptions, and sync app data across. Finish by opening the Google Play app and confirming the account is active there. Tap the profile icon at the top right and switch to the newly added Google account. This ensures Play uses that account for downloads and purchases. If you need to buy apps, go to Payments and Subscriptions to add a card or Google Pay. If Play doesn't show the account, clear Play Store cache, force stop Play services, then resync accounts in Settings. This fixes most sync and visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.